In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to one name on Facebook 2026 for both new and old accounts. Before you try changing anything, the first thing you should do is review Facebook's name standards. This is important because Facebook does not approve every name change automatically, and understanding the rules first can save you time and help you avoid having your request rejected. In general, your Facebook name should match the name you use in everyday life. It also should not include symbols, numbers, unusual capitalization, titles, or promotional wording. The goal here is to stay within Facebook's naming policy so your request has the best chance of being accepted. Once you've gone over those rules, open Facebook on the app or website and sign in to your account. After you're logged in, go into Settings. From there, open Account Center, then select Personal Details and choose Name. This is the section where Facebook allows you to manage and request changes to the name shown on your profile. If you're using a newer or older account, the layout may look slightly different depending on your device or app version, but the path is generally the same. Now enter the name you want to display on your profile. This is the key step. If your account is eligible for a single name profile, Facebook may allow the change based on its internal policies. If your account is not eligible, Facebook will usually require both a first name and a last name. So when you type your preferred name, pay close attention to what Facebook allows in the form. It's also a good idea to carefully review the preview before continuing, because this lets you confirm exactly how your updated profile name will appear. After that, review all of your changes one more time. Make sure everything is accurate and matches what you intend to submit. If Facebook asks you to confirm your identity by entering your password, go ahead and do that. Then submit the request. Depending on the account and the request itself, Facebook may approve the update right away, or it may place the name change under review before applying it. The final step is to wait for approval. Processing time can vary, so don't worry if it doesn't update instantly. In some cases, Facebook may ask for additional information to verify your identity. If that happens, you may need to provide an accepted document that supports the name you use. As long as your request follows Facebook's rules, you'll have the best chance of getting it approved.